Good morning, students. We will come to the second lesson named Learning the Game by Sachin Tendulkar. I think there is no need of any introduction about Sachin because all of you are very familiar with Sachin Tendulkar and you know that he is called the cricket legend, the cricket god, etc. So this unit is to show that in one's life, hard work, encouragement, and motivation are very important. In achieving one's goals, hard work, encouragement, and motivation are very important. So, in this lesson, Sachin tells who were the people who encouraged him, who motivated him, what were the difficulties he had to face to become Sachin the legend. So we will come to the lesson. So the first paragraph gives the idea that from childhood onwards, Sachin loved cricket very much. So in the beginning, he was playing with the tennis ball. So I played tennis ball cricket with my colony friends. So he had certain heroes in cricket. Two names are mentioned there, whose names are mentioned here: Sunil Gavaskar and Vivian Richards. And also it is mentioned that I often try to emulate the mannerisms. To emulate. What do you mean by emulate? Emulate means to imitate or to copy. He tried to copy, to imitate the mannerisms of his heroes, we can say. And also it is mentioned that, but it wasn't just the batsman that I studied. That means he was not only interested in batting, but also interested in bowling. Understood? He was very much interested in batting also, it is mentioned. Then in the next paragraph, second paragraph, two schools are referred there, which are the names of the schools mentioned here. One is New English School, Mumbai. This was the school where Sachin studied. And the second school mentioned is here, see, Sardasram Vidya Mandir, and the specialty of the school where Ramakant Archrekar sir was the cricket coach. So two schools. New English School where Sachin studied, and the school referred is Sardasram Vidya Mandir, and the specialty of the school is mentioned. There was a very famous coach named Ramakant Archrekar sir. So there is also a reference to Sachin's brother named Ajit Tendulkar, and he also was a cricketer, and he knew very well that this school, which is called Sardasram Vidya Mandir, gave more importance to cricket. And in that school, where Ramakant Archrekar sir was the cricket coach, it is mentioned he ran summer camps too. And in that camp, anybody was, permitted to play cricket, and if they were good, they were given training, coaching by Archrekar sir. So what did Ajit do? He took Sachin to the camp to get trained under Archrekar, because it is mentioned it was possible for anyone to play there, and if sir thought that he was a good player, he was given coaching by sir. That was the possibility. And at that time Sachin was only 11 years old. And there also something mentioned about Archeraker sir, which is that Archeraker sir, as I referred to him, started playing cricket at the age of 11 in 1943, which is the age I was when I went to him for the first time. That means while he went to Archeraker sir, he was only uh, 11 years. And then there was a difficulty for Sachin that is mentioned in the next paragraph, which was that he hadn't practiced. It is mentioned, I had never batted in the nets before and felt somewhat overawed with so many people around. Overawed simply means he was a little afraid. Understood? And he knew that many people were watching him. And sometimes in the case of people, it happens that if they feel that somebody is watching them, they will become nervous. So in the case of Sachin also, it happened. What happened? He became nervous or he became afraid. So the term used is overawed. And also along with the people, we know that Archeraker sir also was watching him closely. So what happened? Do you think that he could perform well? No. It is mentioned, I failed to make an impact. That means he couldn't bat well. He couldn't play well. So what did Sir tell? Sir told Sachin's brother Ajit. What was that? Sir called Ajit aside and informed him that I was perhaps too young to make the camp and suggested that he should bring me back when I was a little older. So Sir told that okay, he will be given a chance next year. He is a little boy now, and after some time or after some years he can be given a chance. So Sachin says that it would have been the end of his cricket career. So the sentence, my induction into the Mumbai cricket circuit could have ended in failure but for Ajit's insistence. What's the meaning of that? Ajit knew very well that Sachin was able to play well, and if he was not able to play now, that was because of his nervousness. So he could force or he could persuade Archeraker sir to give Sachin one more chance. So it is mentioned, having seen me play in the colony, Ajit knew I was capable of performing far better than I had done in front of Archeraker sir. He explained that I was nervous and asked sir to give me one more opportunity. So what did Ajit do? Asked Archeraker sir to give his brother Sachin one more chance. That shows that Ajit knew Archeraker sir very well. Otherwise, it won't be possible to ask for such a second chance. Then another thing also was suggested. What was that? We know that Ajit knew that Sachin was nervous. Why was Sachin nervous? Because he thought that or he understood that Archeraker sir was watching him closely. And Ajit was very clear that as he was so nervous, even though he is given a second chance, he won't be able to perform well. So Ajit suggested something. What was that? See, however, he suggested that while doing so, Sir should pretend to go away and then watch from a distance. What should Sir do? Sir should give Sachin one more chance. Then he should pretend that he was not watching him. He moved away. Sir agreed. That shows that they were very close. Who? Archeraker sir and Ajit. Then Sachin was given a second chance, and Sachin believed that sir was not watching him. So what could he do? See, I felt more at ease and soon started to hit the ball well. I felt more at ease. That means felt at ease. That means he became more comfortable. Why was he comfortable? Because of the feeling that sir was not watch him. So he could play well. So if he could play well, we know that that was while he became free from his nervousness. And what happened? See, this time Sir agreed to let me join the camp. He was selected for the camp. I was delighted, and I must say it was an opportunity that transformed my life. That changed his life completely. And we know what happened. The rest is history. What happened? He became such a famous uh, cricketer. Okay, so we saw that in this lesson, Sachin is telling how his brother and many others influenced him or motivated him. No doubt the first person who motivated Sachin was his own brother Ajit. It was Ajit who introduced him or who took him to Archraker sir. And it was because of Ajit Sachin got a second chance to play there. Otherwise, he might not have got the selection. Okay, and the next paragraph, the practice, the details of the practice, the difficulties he had to face, and all these things are mentioned there. But we will discuss it tomorrow. So now what you have to do is read the paragraphs we have completed and complete the first four side questions. Okay, so it is very necessary that you read the paragraphs many times before answering. Write the answers in your notebooks. We'll see you